Hi guys, it's Ananya and you're watching Shut Up Ananya. Yes, I know I haven't been here for almost an entire month, but it has like so many reasons behind it and I want you guys to know them. But for that, you're gonna have to watch this video till the end. So yeah. Anyways, we have an entire weekend planned. So basically, we're leaving for a movie screening right now, which is basically like a re-release of my favorite film, which is Rockstar. I don't know why I love that movie so much. The direction by Imtiaz Ali, the songs, and just everything just fits together. I love it. Plus, I'm going to that movie with someone who's like very special to me. So I want you guys to meet her, but that's gonna take a while. Anyways, before getting ready, I was thinking of showing you guys a quick haul of like a few basic t-shirts that I got from like Ajio because sale tha, and obviously I was like gonna grab some tees, so I have got them and I want to show it to you. This is the basic white tee which I got, and I got it in like size M and it is for almost 300 rupees. And I love this. It is like a cute top. It is not a tank top, and that is what honestly I love about it, because like I don't know, when you're like going to college or something, I just don't want to wear like tank tops which are like this much. It honestly makes me very uncomfortable. So this has quite a bit of nice length, almost yeah, tak. So yeah, this then I got this one. It is in size L, and I honestly got it because of its neckline. It is something different than usual, and plus it's black, and I can literally wear it with like anything. It goes with jeans, it goes with skirts, it goes with my skirts or my cargos. Literally everything is a win-win for this. Last but not the least, I got this animal print top with a similar neckline to the black one, because I don't know, it is something fascinating about these necklines and how they look on me. So yeah, I got this one and I got it for almost 700 rupees, and this is also in size M. Okay, so this is the person who I am going out with today. It's like a cute cousin date. We're going for a movie. We're not gonna wear like a lot of makeup today, maybe just lipstick and kajal, and maybe accessorize this with like minimal jewelry maybe. Yeah? Right, so let's get ready. This is our final look, and I'm wearing a high-waisted jeans below and this top and these earrings, and I love this fit. I almost forgot my glasses, so like I had to go back, and like my sister is like waiting in the car, and like she's gonna beat me up because like we are so late. Also on my way I got this cute chocolate which someone gave me, and that is like so cute, honestly. Also I have this sweatshirt of mine right now, and I'm gonna obviously carry it because theater में बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी लगती है मुझे, and also because my cousin forced me to get it. She's like, मी नहीं देणार आहे माझा तुला jacket. And I'm like, bitch, okay, I'll just carry my own. Guys, yaar, look at the sky. क्या मौसम है यार, it's so cloudy. Cloudy है, but like in 5-10 minutes it's going to rain. Pune weather is like so fucked up. क्या बोलूँ यार आपको? If you stay in Pune, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be able to relate to this like so many levels. She is. Do you think she's going to open the door for us? No? यस किया, कुछ डोर वोर नहीं खोला, कुछ प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट वगैरह नहीं मिल रही यहाँ पे, खुद डोर ओपन या क्लोज करने लगा है. Apart, these are like the best fucking chips I've ever had, and these are like all the turtle chips. मैंने ये दो राबजी में लिए, and can you like guess the price? Yeah, you might be thinking it is like for maybe 50-60. No, it's for 10 rupees, and oh my god, it is the best. Please give it a try if you have like a Dorab cheese nearby you. Whole reason to watch Rockstar today, by the way.
Because I love Ranbir and the songs, obviously.
Yeah, It's so good, right?
It's so good.
PVR जैसी BKL थिएटर कोई है ही नहीं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे रेगुलर पॉपकॉर्न मतलब स्मॉल पॉपकॉर्न इज लाइक फॉर 400. लाइक आर यू फकिंग किडिंग मी? 400 एंड मूवी है 410 का अभी, एंड अभी बज चुके हैं 420 एंड द मूवी हैजंट स्टार्टेड येट. अभी भी एड्स दिखा रहे हैं और इसके बाद भी 10 मिनट एड्स दिखाएंगे. आई एम लाइक सो इरिटेटेड राइट नाउ.
एक्चुअली तू ना बड़ी कूल लगती है मुझे, ये कहना था. और हॉट भी कितनी है तू, कमाल कम है ना. हॉट कूल सेम टाइम.
Anything else?
हाँ, आई लव यू. गर्लफ्रेंड बन जा मेरी.
तुम्हें दिख रहा है कि ये लोग हंस रहे हैं तुम पर?
सिर्फ तू दिख रही है मुझे.
It just ended and we survived without having popcorn. Anyways, she is so annoyed right now because यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक होने वाला है अभी. And anyways, we are going to have dinner with our family members right now, like my Masi and uncle. So we are gonna meet them and go for dinner to a nice place. Also, it's one of my favorite places and I absolutely love their fish and chips. So, watch me. The waiting area right now of La Brizzy and we are supposed to go up in like 20 minutes. So, we tried garlic butter with cheese and it was absolutely filled with herbs. And next we tried the Waldorf salad, which was really crispy and sweet at the same time. Then harissa chicken, and then last but not the least, pesto pasta, and it had added on chicken with bolognese. And oh my god, it was a lovely experience dining over here and I'm so glad I did it. Oh my god, I love this place. Bye. The garlic bread over here and let me rate it. It's actually so good. Garlic bread 7 on 10. मैं मेरे मासी और अंकल के साथ गई थी. मेरे मॉम एंड डैड को बहुत ज़्यादा फोमो हो गया, इसलिए वो लोग इधर आ गए. It is so funny. Like they have this burji cart over here, like 2 lanes below. And like they just came over there and they called us. They were like, "Oh, by the way, we're here. Shall we like stop by?" And we were like, "I see." Guys, hi. This is the next day and I'm here with a bunch of my friends. Say hi. Say hi. Oh my god. Hi. Hello. Hi. Okay. So, anyways, we are at PBC right now. At what did you say? What did you say?
Fucking high right now.
Oh, what? No, I can't put this. What the fuck? No, anyways, so we are like at PBC right now, and they have like fucking no chairs, and like they wanted us to sit like in the dark, and I am not paying like 400 for a cake. Shut up. And I am not going to pay 400 for a dessert when it doesn't have like this ambience. Then like, literally they're gonna make us.
Hello, I am Ambience.
Oh my god. Anyways, now we're going to a pretty much a cheaper place probably. So yeah, let's go.
Please don't say it out loud, please.
Just wants to like crash this event which is like going on. So let's see if these guys can actually do it.
Stay in your lane.
Can
Go to
you?
cheap places.
Go to cheap places. भाई ये event है और तेजस is like actually trying. No, fuck. Fuck, no, चल. Even kidding, ये बंदा अंदर जाके आया.
छोड़ दिया भाई.
Are you fucking kidding me? No, तेजस, no.
It's so over.
No. Don't. I'm here to show you my outfit. I'm wearing this top which arrived yesterday from Ajio. I already gave you guys the haul. So this is how I've styled it. I'm wearing this pretty necklace which I got when I was like 17 for my birthday and I'm literally turning 19 this year. So I am very excited to wear this and this whole outfit. Crocs are constant. Sorry. देखो आजकल के लड़के क्या कर रहे हैं.
आजकल की generation.
Oh my god, so fucked.
Bro, it's not
What do you think about him doing this?
Can you get it off, Ananya?
Anyways, I have like really cool nail paint on. So wow, it looks really cute. I got this from Zudio for $80 and I love this. काय धक्का दिला तुम्हाला? 80 rupees. ठीक है बाबा, 80 rupees.
Exclusive. Look at this.
What is this?
Niggers. Oh shit.
What the hell? Oh shit.
Arrow
Oh, shit.
pointing
Oh.
to a rainbow.
Oh my god! We're at Theobroma and everyone is like kind of picking their desserts. So I think I'm gonna like go with a really heavy and dense chocolate cupcake. But if anyone is going to share with me, I'll go with that. Or I'm just gonna take something light because I've like already had my dinner and I'm kind of full, but I still wanted to get dessert. So I convinced all of them to come with me. Like, oh my god. This hazelnut cupcake had the best chocolate fillings ever, and also I wanted to try something fruity, but I was like fruit shamed for wanting like a pineapple pastry. So yes, I ended up having this hazelnut cupcake and oh my god, so in love with it.
Cut.
So it is like a 9.5 on 10. Trust me, you gotta try this.
काय बोलतो आजारीच राहतो असा आंगळा पेंगळा राहतो एकदम कसा आंगळा पेंगळा एकदम म्हणजे तसं बॉडीली फंक्शन होत नाही ठीक आहे ते होतं आणि अजून कोणती तर ती दुसरी कोणती आहे बाई
सिरियल बघतो तू मराठी?
जय महाराष्ट्र
Everyone's honest reaction. कोण आहे ती मास्टरीन बाई?
मास्तरीन
म्हणजे घरातली कोण आहे
सून आहे सून
तुला काय करायचंय? होता कसले चोमडे आहेत बाई.
इंटरेस्टिंग आहे असं
Is she traumatized by her in-laws?
तेच तर सांगतोय मी मेन प्लॉट तोच आहे की ती तिच्या सासूशी भिडते पण नाही पण जरा इंटरेस्टिंग आहे फक्त तेवढं नाही